Chapter 5 Location and Time. Lecture 1. You see in this globe, and you see this is the some lines are there. These lines is called latitude lines, and this line are called longitudes line. What are these vertical and horizontal lines on the globe of the earth? This is the imaginary lines. They are imaginary lines and are not drawn of the surface on the surface of the earth. The horizontal lines are called latitudes and the vertical lines are known as longitudes. What are latitudes and degree of latitudes? Let us learn through an activity. Measure the angles of different places in the classroom with the help of a protractor, pencil and paper. Draw a circle on a paper and write down the angles of the circle 10 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree. You see this is 0 degree, then 10, 20, 30 and 90. And it is also 0, 10, 20, 30 to 90 degree. And this line, longitude line 0 and then 10 to 360, 180 and 0 to 180, total 360 and this total is 180. Latitude and longitude line. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree north to south at the poles. Lines of latitude run east to west as circles parallel to the equator. Draw a circle and mark a line of latitude with the help of a map. Mention the various countries through which that latitude passes. Draw latitudes at 23.5 north and south and write the names of the countries through which they pass. You see, the equator is the middle latitude or the 0 degree latitude which divides the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This part, this line, this is called southern hemisphere and this is called northern hemisphere. The part of the earth that lies to the north of the 0 degree equator latitude is called the northern hemisphere and the part that lies to its south is known as the southern hemisphere. Now, see how many latitudes passes through our village or city. How can we find out? Now you see map here, India here, and then you find out how which places in your city or in your town or in your village which latitudes passes through your village and city. Now here among the uncountable stars in the sky, there is one bright star usually seen in the north called the North Star. It is called pole star. Now you see this girl, look at the pole star. Here, finding out the latitudes, take a big protractor, make a hole in the center and tie a thread, hang a nail from it. As shown in the picture using glue stick, the lead of an unused ball pen on it. Take it to a place from where you can see the night sky clearly. Take it to the terrace and view the North Star through the cap of the pen. As you adjust it to view the star, the angle at which the nail stop is the latitude of your city. Now this is the activity. Now in lecture 2, we discussed about GPS, mobile phone, Google and longitude and longitudinal coordinates of a place.